Good afternoon. Seth Little here with Jeffers Anthony Law Firm in Ridgeland, Mississippi. Here today to talk to you about unfiled tax returns. We just got done with April 15th, big tax day for most people. For a lot of people, though, April 15th is a day of stress and worry. Maybe you've got tax returns that you know are going to end up with you owing a lot of money. Maybe you don't have that money to pay. So maybe your solution in your mind is to just ignore it. Lots of people have that same solution. There are millions of people all over the country that have unfiled tax returns, many as much as 5, 6 years of unfiled returns. Many of these people have the mindset that if I don't file the returns, maybe the IRS won't notice. It's been 5 years, they haven't noticed yet. Maybe they'll just never notice. That could not be more incorrect. The IRS will notice, they will find out, they will catch up to you. And once they do catch up to you, it will be a mess. You'll have all kinds of amounts owed. You'll have penalties, you'll have interest, you'll have a massive tax bill that will only get worse if you continue to ignore it. What's the solution? What do? Number one, file those returns. Find your local CPA, tax professional, get him to look at your documents, get those returns filed. Just because you file a return doesn't mean that you have to submit a payment with that return. So if that's your hesitation, if you're not filing returns because you say, hey, I know I'm going to owe a lot of money for this tax year, so I don't have it, so I'm just not going to file it and I'm just going to ignore it. You need to file the returns. You don't have to pay immediately with those returns. You just need to get them filed. Once you get them filed, then you can get to the point of, okay, what am I going to owe and what do I need to do about this balance? But number one, file those returns. Do not ignore them. So what's the next step once you file those returns? Several different options. You could apply for a payment plan. You could apply for an offer in compromise where you maybe settle with the IRS for a lower amount just based on what you owe. You could possibly qualify for first time penalty abatement where they waive the penalties for not filing. Don't worry about it if you hadn't filed returns, but you do need to file them. But there are ways that you can work with this. The IRS will work with you. They're not just going to give you this massive tax bill and give you no options to deal with it. There are several options out there. So, what you need to do is find a CPA, find a tax professional. If you don't have one, we can recommend several that do a great job. And once you get those returns filed, you need to get in touch with us, get in touch with a tax attorney or professional that can work with you on some of these options with payment plans or lump sum payments, offers in compromise, penalty abatement, just a plethora of options available to you to handle this situation. And once you get those returns filed, we'll work with you. We'll work with the IRS and we'll hopefully get this behind you where you can get those past returns done and you can move on with your life and hopefully get back to filing those returns every year and staying in compliance with the IRS. If you need any help with this, please visit our website, www.dajtaxlaw.com. Visit the contact us page and just send us an inquiry. Just let us know your situation, what you have going on, and if you need help with finding a tax preparer or CPA, we will definitely help you. And you can also call us at 601 944 4290 and look for our videos here in the future. This is the first of many. I'm going to get into other things such as more detail on the offers in compromise if you do owe money to the IRS, or payment plans if you do owe money to the IRS, or penalty abatement, getting those penalties waived if you have interest in penalties on unfiled tax returns. We'll get further into it on future videos, but number one, what we need to know about this video is unfiled tax returns, have to file them. IRS is not going to forget. They're not going to ignore you. They will catch up to you. Thanks and have a great day.